Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and beans trading higher while wheat finished unchanged on the day. Been mixed so far this morning before we get going at the 8:30 bell. Not a whole lot of news out there right now. We did have some export sales announced for China this morning. They bought around 350,000 metric tons of soybeans for the 2013-2014 marketing year. Other than that, most of the trade's really kind of focusing on the upcoming Friday report for WASDE and quarterly stocks. So we'll have estimates for you on the whiteboard later this week, start on Thursday, and then review them again on Friday to keep you up to date on what we're expecting and what the trade is expecting from that report. As we discussed yesterday, it's been bitterly cold throughout most of the United States. I think they said it's the coldest since the 90s, and that is creating some winter kill concern in some winter wheat areas. I saw a figure yesterday that it's guessing around 6.5% of the crop is going to be affected by these bitterly cold temperatures. So it's not necessarily the cold temperatures that are the huge issue, it's the lack of snow cover. Typically, snow cover will help these crops, keep them a little bit insulated from the bitterly cold temperatures. Well, there's some areas that are lacking in snow coverage right now. That's why these temperatures are a concern. So keep your eye out on that. We definitely won't know the extent of the damage until later on in the spring, but there's expected to be some damage from that. So if you have any questions, let us know. That's all we've got for today. Again, we'll go over the estimates for Friday's numbers later in the week. So if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.